Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the exciting session of Magical Math Mornings. And this week we were learning all the shortcuts of subtraction, correct? And today we are going to take it to the next level. And I want you to recap one method of doing addition by alteration, what we have learned almost around 8 to 10 days ago. This method will help you to add numbers quickly which are closer to the tens or hundreds or thousands. The same technique we are going to use it in subtraction also with a slight variation. There we used to add, here we'll be doing the subtraction. Like let's take one number, we want to do 126 minus 59. What we do here, instead of doing this subtraction, we'll rewrite this as 127 minus 60. That means the number which is closer to the tens, we take it to the next 10 by adding 1. But here also we have to add 1 because subtraction, when you do the same change with minuend and subtrahend, the total value will not change. Correct? 127 minus 60 is very easy. That is 67. You check it out. This is 67 or not. This is the method we used for doing addition, correct? But here we are using the same thing for doing subtraction. Suppose we want to do something like 98 minus 49. What we do? 99 minus 50 we do. 99 minus 50 is nothing but 49. In the mind, we should take one more than this because here this is 1 less than 50. So if we convert this one to 50, this will be converting it to 99. 99 minus 50 is very easy to do, correct? Let's take little bigger numbers. Suppose what to do if it is a numbers in hundreds. 246 minus 98 we want to do. What we do? This is 2 less than 100. So how do we rewrite? Rewriting, we need not do it in paper. I'm writing here just to explain to you. Okay. This is equivalent to 248 minus 100, correct? So what is the answer? 148. Okay. Very simple. Same way, let's take little bigger numbers, whatever the bigger number. Yes. 97 minus 50. Okay. What you said was 98 minus 49 we say. There is a confusion. So 49 you are increasing to 50 means this also you have to increase to 50. Always remember, for doing addition with numbers like 98 plus 59, whenever we are doing addition, we are reducing this by 1. 147 it will become. Whenever we are doing subtraction, that is subtraction is reducing, so we have to increase this by 1. It is just exactly opposite. Okay. Yeah. Now let's take number. Maybe we can take 348 minus 199. So what we do? Just one increase, that is 349. Here also one increase is 200. Subtraction means we have to do increase. Addition means we have to do decrease. It is exactly opposite side we have to do. So 349 minus 200 is what? 149 is the answer. Isn't it simple? Let's take little bigger numbers also. Maybe we want to do 1248 minus, we'll take 898. Let's take minus 898. So what we do? The nearest 100 for this is by adding 2 we'll get here. Correct? No? Here also we'll add 2. What will become? It will become 1250 minus 900. That is nothing but 350. Got it? So 1248 minus 898, we are converting it to 900 by adding 2. So 1248 also we have to add 2. It will become 1250. 1250 minus 900 is very easy. Correct? No? That is nothing but 12 minus 9 is 3. So 350 we will write the answer. Shall we practice a couple of things? I'll give you some simple numbers. Let's try to write this. 76 minus 49. Please do this. Be ready with the chat. Quickly type it. 76 minus 49. It should be very fast. Just you add 1 for 49 to become 50. Correct? So here also add 1. Yes, that's it. Because this will become 50, this will become 77. 77 minus 50 means what? 7 minus 5. That is 27. Yes, you are all right. Take this 138 minus 89. 138 minus 89. It is 27, not 37. Okay. 138 minus 89. Very fast. Yes, it is 139 minus 90 equivalent, which is nothing but what you typed is right. It is 49. Very simple. Yes. Let's take one more. Maybe for a little further practice, let's take a bigger number. 987 minus 198. Try this. 987 minus 198. In mind, we have to do only plus 2. Here means here just plus 2. It will become very easy. Correct? No? 990 minus 200. Whatever you have to do to bring it closer to 200, the same thing you have to do to this. That's it. Correct? Plus 2 means here it will become 989. 989 minus 200 is, the answer is right. What you had given, it is just simple 789. Is it clear? 789, I think. While typing, someone is making a mistake. Okay. Okay. Calculation is simple. Okay. Let's try one bigger number. Then we take its alteration the other way around. Suppose you want to multiply 2476 minus 1298. 2476 minus 1298. To make it 1300, what we have to do? That we have to consider. No, it's okay. I know that by typing there was a mistake. Yes, just add 2 to make it 1300. So what we do here also we'll just add 2 and 24 minus 13 will make it correct. Yes, one person give the correct answer. What about others? 1300 it will become by adding 2. Subtract here 1300 by adding 2. 2478 minus 1300. Yes, now you people got it. Correct? No? 1178 is the answer. Isn't it clear? Yes? Yeah. While typing, you people can be little careful so that the answer will be right. But if you are able to do this properly, then it is okay. Okay, I will accept that one. Now let's see, this method can be done only when the number is ending with either 9, 8 or even 7 also. But as long as that is closer to the tens, hundreds or thousands. Okay. Now let's do some variation. Suppose we want to subtract 97 minus 51. What we do? Our ultimate goal is to bring it to it's closer to 10. What we do, minus 1 we have to do, correct, no, to make it 50. So here what we do, here also we are going to do minus 1. Now you understood where we have to add, where we have to subtract. This one to bring it to 50, if you are subtracting 1 means 97 also you have to subtract 1. It will become equivalent to 96 minus 50. In mind, we can do this. 96 minus 50 is how much? 46. Simple. Let's take a little bigger number. Suppose we want to do 198 minus 71 or 72. Let's take. What we do, this is actually very simple. Directly also we can do this one. Correct? No? 126 we get it. But how do you do? Just reduce to, it will become 196 minus 70 is 126. Let's take it little complicated numbers so that we can make the practice. Suppose we want to do it as 237 minus 92. 237 minus 92. What we have to do here? Subtract 2. Here also subtract 2. What we get? 235 minus 90. 230 minus 90 is 140. What we are left with in the unit digit? 5. 145. Correct? Because we get it as 235 minus 90. Correct? 23 minus 9 is 14. 145 is the answer. Okay? Yeah. That's the previous answer. 26, that is clear. This is 90. Correct? Shall we try one more? Maybe let's take a little bigger number. Maybe we let's consider 3472 minus 1200. We'll take 1203. Let's take it. What we do here, we are going to subtract 3. That means here also we are going to subtract 3. What we get when you subtract here, we get 3469. 3469 minus, it will become like 1200. Correct? 34 minus 12 is how much? 22. So answer is 2269. Got it? Very simple. Just with practice, you are going to become perfect in these things. 3469 minus 1200 is, we are going to subtract only these two. 34 minus 12, it is 22. 69 will read as it is. No addition. See here, whenever the number is above the nearest 100, we are subtracting. Okay. Whenever the number is below the 100, we are going to add to the main number. Okay. It's okay. Initially, we'll make little confusion. We may get confused, but with little practice, we'll become very perfect. So always remember, if the main number, this is called minuend, this is called subtrahend. If subtrahend is more by 1 or 2, in the minuend, what we are going to do? We will reduce 1 or 2. That means if it is 51, 72, like this means we are going to subtract here. If the subtrahend is lesser than by 1 or 2, that means like 99 or 128 and all. Here to make this closer to 100, we are going to add 1 or 2. Just opposite we have to do it. Okay, let's quickly practice the both combined together. Okay, first we'll take it. Maybe 746 minus 103. Take it. 746 minus 103. Easier one I had given. To bring it to nearest to 100, we have to reduce. This is more. Subtrahend is more means. Yes, the answer will be same when you subtract 3 from here and subtract 3 from here. From both, when you subtract 3, the answer will not change. Correct? See, I had given you 10 rupees and you had returned me 7 rupees. How much you owe to me? 3 rupees. But instead of that, what I'll do? You had written me 10 rupees, and suppose I had given you 13 rupees, means still the difference is going to be 3. When you add 3 to both numbers, it will be same. When you reduce 3 from both means also, it will remain the same. Yes, sir. Okay, it is 746 minus 103. It is 640. Perfect answer. Okay, 643 is the correct answer. Correct. Let's take it. Let's quickly take this one. Maybe a little bigger number shall we consider? We'll take it as 1237 minus 204. Let's take this. Whenever the number is more, you have to subtract from. Okay, sir. Multiplication with 5, you did not understand. I will recap that one in the next week, sir. All the multiplication shortcuts, I will recap everyone. In the next week, we will be doing that one. Others, try this one. 1237 minus 204. What you have to reduce? Only 4. Correct? Here also you reduce 4. And I think by typing, you people are, yes, there was a typing error and you corrected that one. See what it will become? When you subtract 4 from both, it will become 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 200 is easy. It will become 1, 0. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 3. That means it will become 1, 0, 3, 3. That is perfect. Students are doing good. Let's try this. 796 minus 398. Minus 398, let's do. $796 minus 390. Here I have reversed it. I gave it 2 less than the nearest 100. So what you have to do? You have to add 2. You add 2, it will become 400. It will become round figure, correct? No? You add 2 here and subtract 400. Yes, perfect. It will become 798 minus 400 means answer will be 398. Very easy. Yes. So I thought of helping some people who had come just joined late. For them, I think within these 3-4 days, I will try to record all the addition shortcuts into one single file and all subtraction shortcuts into one single file. Will that be helpful? So that whenever you want, you can just watch that and I will upload it as a video, not in the live class. It may be some 30 to 40 minutes. You will learn all the important steps of shortcuts of addition in one. Then whatever you have learned about the subtraction shortcuts, I will upload it in one. You can type yes if will it be helpful. Yes, I will do that. And then we'll be considering the shortcuts for multiplication and division. Addition and subtraction, there are only few shortcuts. The one what I have taught yesterday, it is the most powerful one. Yesterday and day before yesterday we had learned, correct? No? Taking some base of the nearest 100, adding here. And the difference, finding the deviation and you are adding it, correct? And this one is going to be very helpful to make you very quick. And you usually in the competitive exams, addition and subtraction you people can do. The time what you are going to save will be little less. But when it comes to multiplication, division, squares and cubes, you are going to save a lot of time. From the next session onwards, we are going to go through that. Okay, I hope you all understood the yes. For you, if you want to learn in detail, please watch the live classes what we have done in previous sessions. And for them, titles in the description I had given what are the concepts that I have taught. And one by one, you can try them. Okay. And I think you learned this technique well. Keep practicing all the 4 shortcuts what I have taught for the subtraction. And I think you people are going to become one of the best in maths. And like I said, maths mein maja hai. I know that you are all getting maja in this. See you all tomorrow morning sharp at 7 a.m.